What is going on, everyone? My name is James. Welcome back. Sorry for the delay, guys. I know I've been a little bit absent here on my channel, but first and foremost, just want to go ahead and say cheers, as we have made it over 500 on the SPY. The SPY has officially topped over 500, 501.65 to be specific. On the daily time frame, we just ripped up through that level. You can see this whole week has been generally pretty green with a gap up in there as well. Started off very indecisive on Monday and just kind of trailed upwards ever since. Market is definitely pushing up, making all-time highs yet again. The weekly candle just continuing to spread further and further away from that 20 EMA on the weekly. Very strong bullish presence right now, just completely riding the trend over that 20 EMA on all time frames. I really love to see this kind of price action. You just kind of surf the trend, So SPY looking really good. QQQ, very similar story. QQQ is just blasting through levels right now. We had kind of marked down, basically that 435 would be a little bit of a psych level. Did bust through that. It looks like 440 should be around the corner right now. I would expect that to possibly hit here next week coming up. So SPY and QQQ just ripping up. A couple of stocks, I'm going to name just one of these. I will make a further video on some of these this weekend, just kind of what I'm thinking moving forward, just because we are limited on time here. But Mara, I know Mara just had a really nice push up the last couple of days with Bitcoin popping over 44 and actually going up to, I think, like 48, 49. Yeah, 48 right there on the 30-minute. Yeah, 48 too. So we did, potentially create almost what could be considered a double top up here. So it's going to be worth noting that we could get a nice rejection up here. But as of right now, Mara and other minor stocks are just trending up, pushing up through levels right now. With volume too, lots of volume. So I do kind of anticipate that Mara could have some more action next week. We might get a momentary pullback or continue gapping up, but I do think it's aiming for that $30 target once more. So Mara's looking good. One in particular that I'm also looking at too here is IWM. So this is the Russell 2000 ETF. So basically, what I'm looking at here, you can see that clear trend line right here that we're starting to break above. Bottom end, we had this very nice pennant. Let me move this. Very nice pennant formation here, and this is on the daily time frame. So it's a very large consolidation here that we're starting to see some breakout. IWM has a lot of room here yet up into the 205s and onward if it does complete the breakout of this pattern. So I think 205 is generally the current target at the moment, but you got to break 200 to see that. So 200 definitely seems to be that level that once we break, I think we're going to get a massive push up, probably to about 202 first, and then 205 over time. So IWM definitely looking really nice. Other one here is Caesar. So Caesar's Entertainment. Now the Super Bowl is this weekend. I did take a couple calls on this one over the weekend. I know you could make the argument for the head and shoulders pattern right here. I definitely see that. I'm just looking for a pop. I think that we're just setting up price action wise for a move to the upside. With a 4-hour, we were trending down for a while there. We did ultimately get back over to 2060 and then bounce off the 200. Hey, buddy.
Daddy, we're back.
I see you're back.
Daddy, we got some lemonade.
You like lemonade?
Yeah.
Good, good. Daddy's almost done, okay?
Can you come down and eat dinner with me?
But yeah, projecting off the 200 EMA right there, as of right now, that 45.50, it looks like, just about 45.50 is really my target here for this. So like I said, I did swing some calls. I actually got a pretty rough position in mine, right around 45, dipping down to 44.50. Not the greatest look right now, but I do have some powder left if I want to go ahead and average down depending on how it looks come Monday morning. Once we do start to lose that 60 EMA. I did mention the 60 EMA on the 15-minute. I really just want to see that 60 EMA on those larger time frames really hold up. You can see that on the hourly and the 4-hour, we're still kind of bouncing from that area. I just feel that once we break this 45, looks like about 45.20 will set us up to start moving towards 45.50, and then from 45.50 I think we've got room much higher, possibly up to about 46.50, maybe even up into the 47. So Caesar's got some potential, and this is on the 4-hour time frame. So these are the contracts I took are for next week's expiration, so I will be looking to exit them earlier on in the week. So hopefully we'll get that move one of the first 2 days there. So I do like Caesar, and I think that once it does move, we can get a good, nice return from it. So that's just about it, guys. I just wanted to kind of update you guys on, obviously I've been a little bit absent. I apologize for that. Just a lot of stuff going on in life right now. Everything's kosher. For those of you guys that were in PayPal, I do apologize. Can't win them all. We did get a really nice move up on PayPal leading up into earnings. A nice little pump right here. But overall, that news that happened the previous week really kind of crapped on our parade a little bit there. And then same thing with the earnings call. We got a tease. It popped up to about 69.60, and then it just absolutely melted down. So it is what it is. You take losses, you move on. We'll keep finding some new ones. We got a couple bangers here today. Played, I believe, what did we play today? We played that Mara little scalp on some dailies. That's meta. We played Mara scalps on some of those daily contracts, so the ones that expired today, Friday. So super risky, but played a couple of those on the bounce from the VWAP intraday. So basically, where was it? I think it was like right around here, if I'm correct. Yeah, right around here is where you would have added and bought in. I added a little bit higher right here, so I just kind of broke even. I think I may have taken like a 25% loss on it. But again, it was very light size. I was kind of just playing with some profits from the day. So it is what it is again. You win some, you lose some. It's the name of the game. I did take a nice W on IWM, playing some of this move. Same thing with SPY and QQQ contracts, just kind of playing the push up here, mainly from right here actually. So after we had the push up, some consolidation, waited for that break, started to create highs to bounce off the 20, and then just took some calls. It's really as simple as that, guys. Just waiting, a lot of waiting in this for the correct opportunities. So obviously, guys, if you did like the video, please do leave a like, comment down below, let me know what you guys think. Let me know some stocks you might want me to look over the weekend. Probably going to put out another video here, possibly on Sunday. Just kind of going over the week ahead, seeing what to expect, some stocks that I've been looking at or stocks that I am looking at, and yeah, just cooking it off, with a nice watch list for you guys. So let me know what you guys think. If you're new to the channel, please do subscribe. I'm going to try and keep this going. I know I took a little hiatus here. Promise I won't do it too often. Just every now and then need a nice little reset. So hopefully you guys did enjoy the video. I will catch you guys in the next one. Peace.